little secret. Don't tell anyone you're your bleed. Just another regret. Another regret. Hope I have to keep my dirty little secret. Who has to know?